Hey Dirtworks Excavation, my name is Lee Turbianic. I was doing some research and I seen your guys' ad on Facebook and noticed you didn't have a website, so I wanted to shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you could do today to build out your website and also to beat out your competition, bringing in a crap ton more business. If you like what you hear, feel free to reach back out and we can chat a little bit further, but let me just show you the basics. 3 major things I want to cover today for you. That's content, citations, and backlinks. Now, normally I would be comparing, your website to your competitor's website and showing you what you would need to do to beat them out, but you don't currently have a website yet. So when I say content, and that's the first thing I want to talk about, it's anything that is written on your homepage. So let's just start with your competitor. And I just did a normal search for stamped concrete, Blacksburg, Virginia, to see who would show up in first place down here. And that is this guy, Decorative Concrete of Virginia. So let's look at his site. Not a bad looking site, but what we would do is put a contact form right here because that makes it easier for client conversions. But let's kind of see what kind of content he has. He does have a little bit of content here. And nowhere near the amount that Google likes to see. So Google likes to see 1,500 words on a home page, and that's so you could fit your important keywords throughout it. And to show you a quick example of what that looks like, here is a curbing site that I built for a company in Charleston, South Carolina. Beautiful site. All these curbings, quick to calls everywhere, but content, that's the big thing here. So all of his projects shown. Here's some content, and you're going to see his keywords here shortly listed throughout. So here's one: landscape edging borders. That's something people are typing, looking for it. Concrete garden edging. More of them. Leading decorative curbing company. Let's go down. Concrete landscape edging. So there's some with more specific too, which I'm going to show you. But we build beautiful sites here, as you can see. But let's go back to your competitions. Nothing special. So if you were to go out and build a site and get 1,500 words, we would easily beat him in that aspect. So that's content. Now, the second thing I want to talk about is this GMB section. Now, this has nothing to do with your website, and you build this out separately. But being in this top 3 map pack is huge for business, because when someone is typing stamped concrete Blacksburg, Virginia, or any of the surrounding areas that you want to target, they're going to come to a page that looks like this. Now, some of them go here, right in the top 3. They rarely ever click more businesses, or they're going right here and looking for a business. Maybe go to page 2, but 9 times out of 10 they go right here. So you're probably wondering, well, how do I do that? Well, we create these for you and can help you get this, and then we also power it to get up in this top 3. And how you do that is by adding citations. Now, a citation is your business name, the address, and phone number listed in directories all across the web, like MapQuest, BBB, Yellow Pages, Yext, City Star, Facebook's even one of them. And the more you have with the good reviews and pictures added to your GMB, the higher you're going to rank. Because who do you think Google's going to put up here in the top 3? The guy with only a MapQuest listing, or the company that has, 100 of them, that it's in MapQuest, he has his BBB, he's in the Chamber of Commerce, he's well known? That's who's going to get up here. So that's what we do too. Now down to the third thing in this bottom section, which is the organic section. And this is probably the most important section to me. What ranks you here is backlinks to your website. So a backlink is when another website links to your website. And the more websites that you have linking back to you is like votes in the Google's eyes. Because if those websites are willing to send their traffic to you, then that must mean you're a reputable company. So I have this tool I use called Ahrefs, and as you can see, the top guy, number 1, these are just Angie's, BBB, Yelp. So the actual real company is this Decorative Concrete of Virginia. Now I plugged his information into this Ahrefs to see his site stats and basically his traffic, how many backlinks he has and what kind of keywords he has, and that's out there. So as you can see, he does have a pretty good site. He's got a lot of backlinks. He's ranking for a lot of keywords, and he's getting 327 traffic to his site just by ranking on that first page right here for some keywords. So that's 327 traffic, people coming to his site. Now let's say half of those became clients. That's 150 jobs he got just from the traffic he's pulling. But let's see where he's getting them from. So this is why it's important to have that 1,500 words, because we embed these keywords throughout your content so you get found for them. So let's see. Decorative Concrete of Virginia has 100 total searches. This is going to show me the keyword, how many times this keyword, which is this keyword right here, is being searched monthly, and also the type of traffic and position that he's in for it. So he's in first place for decorative concrete of Virginia, and he's getting 32 traffic just from this keyword alone, but there's 100 total. Stamped concrete Lynchburg, VA, 60 searches for that a month. He's getting 20. Stamped concrete Charlottesville, VA, 60. Stamped concrete Charlottesville, comma, VA, 50. That's why I said some people type it with a comma. Some people don't type it with a comma. That's why you got to have all these listed throughout your content so you get found for them. So that's the big thing. Now let's see what else he's got. So right now, just off the bat, there's about 100, 200, 300 searches just out of these keywords. So if we had that, that's putting you in the rankings for almost 300 different people looking for this stuff monthly. So let's see what else we got. Polished concrete, Virginia, 50. Stamped concrete, Roanoke, Virginia, 80 searches and 0 for that. That, Katie, is how hard it is to rank for. So 0. That means it'd be really easy to rank for this keyword. Concrete countertops. I don't know if you do that, but let's keep going and looking. Wood plank stamped concrete floors, 80. Red brick stamped concrete, 100. So we would go through, find all the best keywords, but usually we want the city there so we know it's directly in your area, and we can go and do this for all of your services. I know you say you do, you know, excavation and curbing and all of them, so we would go and find all these keywords, and then we place them on the pages that on your service pages. So anyways, I'd love to show you guys and talk with you a little bit more and get this going for you. Let's do a little coverage of what we talked about. The first thing was building out a website and having 1,500 words on your homepage with all those keywords listed throughout. See, like this is his major keyword: concrete curbing and landscape edging company, Charleston. So that's a main thing, is having 1,500 words on your homepage. The second thing was citations and building out a GMB listing for your business. And then you go and add them name, address, and phone numbers, getting 100 to 200 of them, getting yourself wide known and widespread, and then getting up in this top 3. And you're going to start seeing a big change in traffic coming to your site just from being here alone. And then the third thing was building the website and then powering it with backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And you don't just want any backlinks, because you could have 10,000 backlinks and not get any power if they're not relevant. Like if Pizza Hut were to link to you, it's not going to transfer as much power as another excavating company linking to you, or a home remodeling site linking to you. You know what I mean? You want relevant backlinks pointing to you. And the best part about this is we can go into your competitor's backlinks, and all his backlinks, which we know are powering him up into first place, we can go and all his are laid out, listed, so we can go submit them for your business. So here they all are. All his backlinks, we go and submit the powerful ones and grab them for yours. See, best 30. These are all blog sites, directories, all the above. So, and that's all I got for you guys today. Like I said, feel free to reach out. We could schedule a time to talk. And like I said, here's another site we did for a plumbing company. Beautiful site. All of their services listed, from drain and sewer, even their service areas they wanted to target with the keywords for each. Here we go. Look at plumbing services in Rahway. There's a keyword. Plumbers in Rahway, New Jersey, which is, you also want it in a heading. You want a picture saved as it. You want all of your stuff correlating to what you want to rank for, and that's what you're telling Google, because Google is just a crawling website. All it can do is read, so you got to feed it the right information. But anyways, I'm here for you guys. Feel free to reach out. Lee Turbienic, President of Diamond City Digital Marketing, 570-240-5257. I'm available whenever for you guys. Thanks for watching.